Hey, so what's going on, guys? Obviously this is my finished Trash to Treasure series build of the HGUC Tristan here. It's really ended up being a lot more of a kit bash between just the Tristan and the HG Jim. But as long as it came out in the end still looking like the Tristan, but obviously just a heavily modified version of that, then that was kind of my goal, and I think it does. I don't think it still looks anything like the Jim at all, even though there are maybe a couple recognizable parts there. Mostly, it's still pretty recognizable as the Tristan as far as my opinion goes. Obviously this project ended up taking a lot longer than I expected it to do and just went completely off the rails, so I'm sorry that this project took so long to finish for you guys. But hey, I'm just glad that it's finally finished and we can put an end to the "Where's the Tristan" meme. And yeah, I'm just happy that you guys seemed to enjoy the ride along the way. You guys, for the most part, everyone seemed to really enjoy the series. If you guys haven't seen it, the whole building process and everything was all covered over the 10 parts work in progress series on that, the Trash to Treasure series. So thank you guys for all the support throughout the series. I'm glad that that was enjoyable, helpful for you guys to watch that come along. And I'm anxious to hear what you guys think about the final results of this. I'm pretty happy with it. Like I said, I do feel like it kind of went off the rails a little bit, but it ended up coming together and looking pretty cool in the end, so I'm happy about that. The base, I just went with a pretty simple, just like wood block base there, and it's just got a little bit of some gray paint on that, just a couple of clear rods in there just to help with the stabilization of that. It actually can stand on its own, but those just help to make sure that it doesn't fall backwards at all. So those aren't actually plugged into anything up in the fuel tanks, they're just there, and the fuel tanks are just kind of resting on top of those. So while this is the end of the Trash to Treasure series here for the Tristan, as I mentioned a couple times before, I am planning on continuing the Trash to Treasure series, but doing it in sort of like a seasonal kind of thing. So imagine if this was season 1, season 2 will be focused on a kind of different kit, different theme for the Trash to Treasure series, and then continuing that on into the foreseeable future. I have a few different ideas in mind, so hopefully the future series won't take quite as long to finish, but I have something in mind for what's going to be the next one. I've decided on that, so if you stay tuned to the very end of the video, I'll give you guys a little teaser as to what that's going to be, but hopefully we'll be able to start that pretty soon, and you guys will be able to watch that series coming up in the near future. That's pretty much it for me, guys. I've talked about this build a whole lot over the course of building it, so there's not really too much else to really say about it, but just have a look at how it came out. And again, anxious to see or to hear what you guys thought about this, so leave your comments down below what you think. Any criticism, of course, welcome to. Things you thought could have been done differently, things that could have done better. I'm always open to hearing any sort of constructive criticism, so please feel free to share that down below as well. I want to thank you guys all so much for watching, and just enjoy the rest of the video. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.